Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Coinbase in 2026. Ready to cash out your crypto? Here's exactly how to sell crypto on Coinbase step by step. Now before we start, you have to know this Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're just gonna go to coinbase.com and make sure to sign in if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, just click on sign up and enter your account's information. You can even log in with your Google account credentials. Now, after you do that, you're gonna make sure to log in with your account, the account you created. Then you're gonna open the app, or you can sign in in your web browser. Then you're gonna tap the buy and sell button. After that, at the top, you're gonna choose the sell button as you can see here. And then you're gonna select crypto. You can choose the cryptocurrency you want. As you can see, you're gonna click on sell. Then you're gonna choose the cryptocurrency. You're gonna choose here. And you're gonna review the order. Now you can switch to sell. Then select the cryptocurrency and enter the amount. Enter how much you want to sell, either in crypto or amount or cash value. And select where you want the money to be sent. Now you have fiat balance, make accounts, bank accounts or PayPal. And make sure to click preview sale. Make sure to review the fees and final amount. Then you're gonna tap sell now. And market prices changes fast, so double check the price before confirming. And that's it. That's how you sell crypto on Coinbase in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.